In this video, I'll show you how to add a flipbook to your Wix Studio website. It's going to be completely free of charge without any credit card needed. And to get started, I have added a link in the description that you need to follow, so do be sure to click that to follow along for this tutorial. As you can see, there are a couple different templates to choose from, and you can customize every single one of them to match your branding and even see how the different features work by clicking around on the widget. Now, if you haven't already, the first thing you're going to do is click the link in the description below. You can simply copy and paste the link right into your search bar, or what you could also do is search for Elf site. Now that's going to take you to this website where you're going to go to the top menu and hover over widgets. From here, you want to go to the tools section, and down below you will find Flipbook. Be sure to click on that so we can get started. Next, you want to click on the pink button that says Create Widget for free. Now that's going to take us down to the template builder where we can start designing our widget. To expand the window, simply press on F11. What we could also do is on the right corner of the window, click on the expand arrows. Now the first step here is to choose a template that's close to where you're looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, layout, colors, and more later on if you want to match your branding or similar. Just pick the one that's closest to where you're looking for now, and for this demo, I will go ahead with this option. From here, you can go ahead and click on Continue with this template at the bottom left corner. You will then be taken to the page where you can start customizing your widget, and on the left-hand side, we have about 3 options. On the document section, what you want to do is click on Upload File or Add PDF by link. If you want to upload PDF, just simply click on here, and then you can add your PDF. Once you have successfully added your PDF, it will automatically show on the widget. On the design section, this is where we can change our design. We can change the background. If you click on the palette, we can change it from a color, a gradient, or as well as an image. I prefer a color. On the element color, we can change the color of the element. On the font section, this is where we can change our font. You will have a list of fonts that you can choose from. And on the settings section, this is where we can edit the language of our text. We can choose from English or any types of languages that we want. And once you're ready to add your widget to your website, go ahead and click on Add to Website for Free button in the bottom left corner. From here, your screen will open up in a new window where you need to either sign up or log in into Elf site if you don't already have an account. Once you've done that, you should end up on a similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen in just a second. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you're done customizing your design, you don't need to do anything here. Just go up to the top and right corner and then click on the big green Publish button. From here, you'll be taken to this page where you need to choose your plan, and because it is completely free of charge like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select the $0 a month plan on the very left by clicking on the gray Select button. Once you've done that, you'll end up on this page, and what you need to do here is click on Copy Code. Simply click on Copy Code, and now it's time to head back to our Wix Studio website designer. Once you're on your Wix Studio website designer, the first step is to decide which section you want to add your widget to. I want to add a new section, and to do that, hover in between 2 sections and then click on Add Section. Below, you want to choose a starting point, and that would be Add an Element. Click on that one. On the left-hand side, you just want to hover on the bottom and click on Embed in Social. And under Embed Code, what you want to do is click on the plus sign to add to site. From here, you want to go to the top and click on Enter Code. And in here, you want to make sure that we are working on a blank slate. So be sure to just highlight everything that is in here and make sure to delete. Next, you want to press on Ctrl V to paste the code that we just copied and head over to the bottom and click on Update. Once that's done, your widget will automatically show on the frame. Now, the next step is to adjust the frame. So go to the corners of the frame, and then you will see these circles. Simply hold and then hover in order for you to expand the widget. You want to make sure that the widget is expanded in a way wherein it will take up the whole section. As you can see, this is one way to make your flipbook look a bit appealing. I have added a text box here at the top, and then I have made it into the middle of the section. Now, the next step here is to go to the top and the right-hand side to preview the site. Simply click on the eye. And as you can see, we now have a flipbook on our Wix Studio website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.